Welcome back. We have finally gotten to the point in which we can start reflecting and capturing what social and environmental sustainability could mean for your organization. For this brainstorm, we suggest 3 alternative brainstorming techniques. Pick the one that you find the most interesting for your team. From the top, we have what we call the McKinsey Wheel. In a report from 2028, McKinsey identified 3 key areas in which companies can start capturing the value of sustainability. And these areas are growth, risk management, and returns on capital. For each macro area, we have subcategories that you can find in this canvas. For growth, we have composition of business portfolio, innovation and new products, reaching new markets and customers. For returns on capital, we have green sales and marketing, sustainable value chains, sustainable operations, such as reducing emissions, energy, waste, and water. And for risk management, we have operational risk management, reputation management, and regulatory management. Start by individually brainstorming potential opportunities or challenges that your organization is facing and place them in the subcategory that you find most fit. After that, individually vote for the post-its and ideas that you find more interesting, using 3 votes each from the vote box that you find here. The second brainstorming technique, you find it in the middle, and is a Venn diagram in which environmental sustainability is the circle on the left and social sustainability is the circle on the right. Start by individually brainstorm challenges and opportunities that your organization may be facing in the realm of either environmental or social sustainability. If you have ideas that belong to both, put them in the intersection area. After you have done your individual brainstorm, again, you have the opportunity to vote. So use 3 votes per person to express which ideas you find more interesting to move forward with. And to vote, you can use the vote box here in the corner. Lastly, the third option is to have an open brainstorm. Here you have just an empty box in which you and your team can just start brainstorming any idea, any challenges that you think your organization is facing. Similarly to the Venn diagram, brainstorm individually first and then vote using 3 post-its each per person. At the end of this activity, check which opportunities or challenges receive the most votes. Pick the top 3 most voted and then bring them into the next brainstorm. If you happen to have some ties between ideas, discuss with your team which one you want to bring forward for the rest of the workshop. And I'll see you then.